Chunkapalli. Thank you, International Book of Records.
Hi, I'm SATHVIK Sreekumar Chunkapalli, proud father of SATHVIK Sreekumar Chunkapalli, and he set a record in International Book of Records by recalling 110 animals and its young ones in 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Thank you, International Book of Records, giving him this opportunity.
Hi, I'm Anju, mother of SATHVIK Sreekumar Chunkapalli, and he's just awesome boy. And I would like to thank International Book of Records for the great support and encouragement to our son. Thank you very much.
I am Sreekumar Chunkapalli. We are the proud grandparents of SATHVIK.
Thank you, International Book of Record.
We are super proud of our SATHVIK baby's achievement. Thank you, International Books of Record.
Thank you, International Books of Record.
And love cup. And little pup. I'll get a hatchling and lava, backup, bug larva, bee larva, beetle larva, butterfly caterpillar, bat pup, baboon infant, buffalo calf, crab, zaya, cuckoo chick, crocus and chick, camel calf, guinea fowl, guinea chick, gola infant, goose lay, grasshopper nymph, goat kid, horse flower, hen chick, hedgehog piglet, hippo calf, monkey infant, mandrill infant, mouse pinky, mosquito nymph, mongoose pup, moose calf, meerkat pup, owl owlet, ostrich chick, otter pup, octopus fry, pigeon squab, platypus platypup, porcupine porcupine, peafowl peachick, quail chick, rabbit bunny, raccoon cub, rhinoceros calf, rat pup, reindeer calf, snakeling, tiger cub, tortoise hatchling, toucan chick, tapir calf, vulture chick, wolf pup, walrus pup, whale calf, valuable piglet, woodpecker chick, yak calf. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, father of our nation. Children call me Bapuji. My message is do or die.